Hello, what's up you guys? It's Chell here again. So today we are going to take you together with us in the Seoul Shera in Busay, Cebu. So what are we gonna be doing there? So basically we're just gonna be unwinding. We're also gonna be having a little birthday surprise for my boyfriend because it's his birthday tomorrow, November 14th. Today I'll be together with my friends again, my second option friends. We're actually trying to achieve a camping session into the woods, something like this. But I bet we will be having a glamping type of camp instead. Glamping meaning glamorous camping, or let's say we have all the stuff that we need. We'll be using tents as well, and we'll also be doing what campers will do, but the difference is that it's just easier than the normal camping. We're not gonna be hiking up in a hill. I hope we're gonna enjoy our stay there. We're gonna relax and unwind from all the stress in the world. I hope everything will go smoothly as planned. By the way guys, the car is so humot right now. It smells so good. It's because of this Ease PH scent. My boyfriend Ramon is selling these in Instagram and it smells so good. He has a lot of different scents, around 5 or 6 scents. But my favorite is the fresh bamboo or the Shangri-La. It really smells so good, especially for girls. So you get yours before December 31, 2021 ends because he's giving 20% discount for all who will buy before December 31. So yeah, let's go. Here's Pearly.
I'm an island girl from Wallball.
Yeah, she's an island girl from Wallball. Remember the girl who was Gigi Hadid before?
Yeah, that's her.
We'll be seeing our other friends there. Yeah, they're still my optional friends up until now. So I'm happy that they're still with me even though they're just my options. So here is Seoul Shera now. This is the wellness place. This is where people do their yoga thingy.
Hi, welcome to my vlog. To your vlog.
Welcome me to my vlog. Welcome me to your vlog.
Parking, ma'am. Parking.
Oh, parking.
Welcome myself to your vlog.
Hello.
Hi, Ramon.
Hi. Nice
Hi, Dai.
earrings. I love it. It's so pretty. Okay, so the golf cart is nearing now. Here it is. Oh, good, nice layon. Ano layon ba? Oh, di ba na safari, no? May safari. Safari. Cebu safari nila. So mo ni gingon na dili na mi kita lang hike kay dalo na day nila. Sila na mismo ang modala na mo sa bukid. There's an option guys na pwede mag-trekking. So mag-trek na dito.
Vlog, welcome to my guys.
Hello daw o yung si Rodji. Pindot na siya na pool. Hi Cebu! here's a closer look of their tents and huts. They also have a well-equipped bathroom and a toilet for your convenience. These tents are not just ordinary tents, it has its own beddings inside and towels. And also, this is Brian, guys, the uyab of Gigi Delana, my friend right here, the girl in white. And also, I have there Ramon, my babe. And also, naasa si Pearly, guys. Saksi kay si Pearly, no? Hi, guys. Lami your food.
Lami ang food.
Hi, Rog.
Hello, mga
Say hi, Pearl.
Bili siya ma-zoom sa. Bulgaria boy. Agree.
Hi! So guys, that was our Soul Sierra vlog, and I hope to see you guys on
Our next vlog.
vlogs. See you soon. Bye bye.